across to Soumya. She's joining us live from the national capital. Soumya, we just heard Arvind Kejriwal. But the question here being that what made Arvind Kejriwal succumb to that pressure to resign as a chief minister?
Yes, well, Samiksha, we just heard Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal saying that 2 days from now, he will be resigning from his post as the Chief Minister of the national capital. He went on to say that he got relief from the legal court. Now he wants a relief from the people's court. So he went on to say that even though he has got a relief from the legal court, BJP is constantly trying to prove him dishonest. So he is trying to get a verdict from the people who have elected him and made him the chief minister of the national capital. So he went on to say that the elections, assembly elections in Delhi are just months away, and he wants the verdict from the people of Delhi whether he should continue as the chief minister or not. So he went on to say that 2 days from now there will be a legislative meeting wherein it will be decided that who will be continuing as the chief minister of the national capital, and he is resigning from the post until he gets the verdict from the people of Delhi whether he will continue as the chief minister of the national capital or not. Back to you.
Right, Soumya, stay with us. Several questions arising at this stage as to what really forced Arvind Kejriwal, but are you learning anything from your sources as to who could be the front runners to take over the chief minister's post after he resigns?
Well, as of now, there are no names coming out from the party or the sources on ground that who might be the front runners in this case. However, we have now out on bail Manish Sisodia as well and Atishi as well. Atishi is one name that that particular name hold the fort for Arvind Kejriwal when he was behind the bars for 6 months. So Atishi could be one of the names that could be the front runner as the chief ministerial face for the Delhi, for as of now when Arvind Kejriwal decides to resign from the post.
Right, Soumya, stay with us. And from what it appears, it looks like the SC verdict was more like a moral setback for Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, let's listen in to another statement that came in from Arvind Kejriwal announcing his decision to resign from the CM post.
दोस्तों, 2 दिन के बाद, आज से 2 दिन के बाद मैं सीएम की कुर्सी से इस्तीफा देने जा रहा हूं। और मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे। मैं जनता के बीच में जाऊंगा, गली गली में जाऊंगा, घर घर में जाऊंगा, और जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे कि केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, तब तक मैं सीएम की कुर्सी के ऊपर नहीं बैठूंगा। आज से कुछ महीने बाद चुनाव है, दिल्ली के चुनाव हैं। मैं जनता को निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, अपील करना चाहता हूं, अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, मेरे पक्ष में वोट दे देना। अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल गुनहगार है, मेरे को वोट मत देना। आपका एक वोट मेरी ईमानदारी का सर्टिफिकेट होगा। अगर आप मेरे को वोट देके जिताओगे और अगर आप कहोगे कि केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, तो चुनाव के बाद उसके बाद जाके मैं सीएम की कुर्सी पे बैठूंगा, तब तक मैं सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा।